Do you want to stop website from automatically downloading files to your phone? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a security feature that helps block automatic download, reducing the risk of unwanted or potentially malicious file. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Internet app. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner, then tap Setting. Next, tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down the screen, and then make sure Block Automatic Downloads is turned on. As a note, this option is enabled by default, so in most cases, you won't need to change anything. With these features enabled, Samsung Internet helps prevent websites from automatically downloading files without your permission, providing an extra layer of protection while you browse. And that's how to block automatic download on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.